We have to fly. Okay? Roger that. Now. Gear is up. Okay. Where are we supposed to go? Maybe I know. Maybe somewhere around here, this place. No! Have you feel something? Not again! Oh! It's a sandwich! 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 Ooh! Stamp it! Nom! Nom nom nom! Nom 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 nom! My sandwich! Who touched my sandwich? Hey you! Yes, you! You are dead! Ow! Ow, crap! Ow, 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 ow! Dead! No, heavy. Prepare for landing! Yes, sir! Move up, move up, move up! Preparing the landing! Done! We're crashing! No! Damn it! Soldier! Help! The chair is on me! Tanks! We need an engineer! Damn it! Damn it! I can't open it! Hi-ya! Engineer! Engineer! Wake up, you! Don't you dare die on me, boy! Have you found him? Yes! But he's dead! Wait, I have idea! Am I alive? I've resurrected you! But one thing. When we crash, how are we gonna get out of here? Somehow you have to repair the aeroplane or build a smaller one. But we can't do it alone. We need some friends. Okay guys, so I hope you liked my animation. This is my second animation, and well, I'm going to create lots of parts of this because The first part is that they crashed and this stuff, and the second part will be they will have to find a way how to repair the airplane. So I hope you guys liked it, so give it a thumbs up or leave a subscribe. If you will subscribe, you will support me a lot, and well, stay awesome and see you in the next video.